What is the second conditional? The second conditional is used to talk about imaginary or unreal situations in the present or future. It often expresses things that are unlikely, impossible, or purely hypothetical. The structure is if plus subject plus past simple subject plus would plus infinitive. Take a look at these examples. If I lived abroad, I would try hard to learn the local language. If I were younger, I'd get more involved in my community. If everyone took more care over their litter, the town would look much better. Was or were. We can use both was or were in the first person. Were is more formal and therefore appropriate in written academic English. Was is more acceptable in spoken English or less formal written English. Take a look at these examples. If I were setting up a business here, I'd insist on a faster internet connection. If I was able to learn another language, I'd learn Arabic. Clause order and punctuation. We can start a second conditional sentence with the if clause or with the main clause without changing the meaning. When the if clause comes in the first half of the sentence, we must use a comma between the two clauses. When it comes in the second half, we don't need to use a comma. Look at these examples. If everyone followed the rules, life would be much easier. Life would be much easier if everyone followed the rules. Why it's important for IELTS. In IELTS speaking, second conditionals show your range of grammar and ability to express complex ideas. In writing task 2, you might use them to give suggestions or opinions on hypothetical solutions. Now, let's apply this by doing the following grammar exercise. Choose the correct second conditional form. Pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's go. Great job! Now you understand how to use second conditionals effectively in IELTS. If you find this video helpful, do like and share this video, subscribe and click the bell button to be notified of new videos. Check out our other videos in this playlist and in the description below. See you on the next video.